God bless you. Senior Prophet Elijah Bamidele is my name. Quickly, I want to pass this message to Mr. Peter Obi. Mr. Peter Obi. The Lord said I should tell you to go and team up with Governor Alex Otti. Go, Peter Obi, go and team up with Governor Alex Otti and bring out Nnamdi Kanu from that detention. What every good and meaningful Igbo person should be fighting for now is the actualization of Igbo nation. Let me tell you, you can abuse me, you can take it or you leave it. Igbo nation, time will come. I will be alive, you will be alive to see what I'm telling you now. Time will come, Igbo nation will be one of the greatest nations in the world. One of the greatest nations in the world, on earth. Because of what God opened my eye to see. I saw this milk. It's a very thick and sweet milk on Igbo land. I don't know where this thing will come from. I don't know how. I don't know when. But I saw it. I saw it and I saw it. Peter Obi go and team up with Alex Otti and bring out Nnamdi Kanu. As far as I'm concerned, as far as the Nigeria country is concerned, Governor Alex Otti still remains one of the best governors Nigeria has ever produced in a very long while. You can abuse me, you can insult me, that is your cup of tea. That man is still the #1 and the best governor Nigeria has ever produced so far. Governor Alex Otti. Peter Obi, go and join him. I still did not see you sitting on the seat of the presidency now, simply because presidential election has been conducted since last year, 2024. They conducted that election in June, spiritually, and the winner of the election has been announced. The winner of the election has been announced. Certainly not Peter Obi, not Atiku, not any of you. I still have not seen Bola Ahmed Tinubu leaving that seat. The only thing that can make this prophecy not to come to pass is if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu enemy sleeps today and did not wake up tomorrow. But so long that man is breathing, I still did not see him leaving the Aso Rock for anybody. Now, Peter Obi, you are a good man. You possess all the quality of a good leader. But Nigeria will not allow you now. They will not. They will not. I am not seeing you on the seat of the presidency. Go and bring out Nnamdi Kanu. Join her together with other good Igbo people. You people should fight for the actualization of Igbo nation. That is what I am saying as a prophet. I am not a tribalistic person. I am not a politician. I am not a religious person. If you see me online, it's either I am here to defend one or two persons, or I'm here to release prophecy given to me by God. You believe, oh, you not believe, oh, you will be alive, I will be alive, you will see it. The greatest nation in the world is the Igbo nation. So, I am begging all of you, Mr. Prophet, are you now saying that the way the country is, you like it? No. Nigerians are not happy with the way things are going. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you are a good man. Please, I need you to listen to the voice and the cry of Nigeria. You know, say me right from time. I know felt like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu right from time. But I keep seeing him on the seat of the presidency. Up till now, I still did not like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but I am still seeing him on the seat of the presidency of Nigeria. 2027, I still see President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Even though I did not like him, I am still seeing him on the seat as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So no matter anybody is doing, you are just wasting money. Atiku wasting money. Obi wasting money. Everybody wasting money. The election has been conducted since June 2024, and the winner of the election has been announced spiritually. What every good, meaningful Igbo person should be talking about now is how to actualize Igbo nation. Go back home and build your nation. All the Igbo billionaires, the traditional rulers, the governors should come together. Alex Otti still remains the best governor Nigeria has ever produced in a very long while. I can beat my hand on the chest and say it anyway. I don't know him, don't know him. I am not a politician, I'm not a religious person, I am not a tribalistic person. I say as I see. That's all I have to say. 2027 election, Peter Obi, now, no. Atiku, no. I still see Bola Ahmed Tinubu on the seat. So may the Lord bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May God bless Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Dr. Nnamdi Kanu, a man with a heart of gold. I don't know what I will do the day that man will come outside. I never know the worry when I will create the day when that guy will come outside. I know he will come out very soon, and everybody I will see him. Today is 8th of January 2026. Save this video because you will need it later. So I use the opportunity to invite every one of you tomorrow, 9th of January 2026, on Friday, we'll be having a very strong midnight prayers starting from 10 to 5 a.m. in the morning. I will be ministry live. It's going to be prophetic and deliverance. Wherever you are, all road lead to the church. Meet me in church tomorrow, 9th of January. And you that is going to watch and share this video, may the Lord bless you wherever you are, all over the world. If you don't have the WhatsApp number for direction, we're going to attach the WhatsApp number to this video. Please follow the voice of God. This year,